In this tutorial, I show you step by step how to create Victoria's Secret model's trademark smoky eyes and plump lips. First, I apply translucent CC cream, a lighter version of BB cream with some additional glow. I love CC cream the most because it spreads easily, adapts to any skin shade and moisturizes. On top, I add a walnut-sized droplet of liquid foundation in my skin shade. This way I can spare the concealer and keep my base makeup fairly light. Remember, it's not how much makeup you use, but how you use it. To set the foundation, I recommend translucent powder. While doing a great job evening your skin tone, translucent powder also helps to diminish dark circles. We as models all have unique features, so that's what we should strive for as well. By highlighting the most prominent parts of your face, you can really accentuate your best features. Try to follow your natural face line as much as you can. Before contouring, apply a light coral on your cheek and brow bones. Shade the sides of your nose. Done lightly, this actually helps accentuating your eyes. If you have a baby face, consider shading all along your cheekbones to the corner of your mouth for a more mature expression, which you'll need to fit the eye makeup later. If desired, shade your jaw to maximize this effect. It's good to know that eyebrows can influence your eye's expression. For a sensual look, create straight eyebrows by removing a small part of the top of your eyebrows. Keep them neat and tidy with eyebrow gel. Next, dash some light brown color on the outer edge of your eye and smudge using a rose red shadow. Blend the color all the way down to your lower lids to make your eyes look surrounded by a romantic rosy dust. Apply brown color on your crease and lower eye. Let the ends meet in a wing and smudge thoroughly. If some shadow was smudged out of shape, correct with a fan brush. The star of this makeup will be the golden shimmer, which I apply on the inner half of my eyelid. It's an effective and glamorous way to highlight and works on both upper and lower lids. Instead of a liquid eyeliner, I choose a more subtle method to frame my eyes. I apply eyeshadow on a fine angled brush, smudge and repeat once again. Then I truly bring out the smokiness with brown mascara. For my plump lip trick, I apply a concealer that is somewhat darker than my skin shade. With an auburn blush, I outline softly, just enough to make them look a tiny bit bigger. In fact, most blush colors work well on lips, so if you prefer something more pinkish, then go for it. In the center, I pop some lip stain and then highlight using a matching lip gloss. And that's all I did to create this Victoria's Secret inspired look. Regardless from the name of this makeup, this look is also suitable for a special occasion or holiday. Good luck, have fun, and see you in my next video. Boo bye bye boo.